Assembly and operation guidance of Hemway ironing table with boiler MT28. Compare accessories list. Prepare for included accessories. Front side down. Put down the main part of machine. Install for casters. Open the front cover of the main part of machine. Connect the foot pedal switch power cable to the socket at the bottom of the main part first. Then install the foot pedal switch to the bottom of the main part. Install the lamp tube. Connect the lamp beam to the upper end of the lamp post. Connect the lower end of the lamp frame post to the fixed bracket. Install the rack assembly to the back of the main part of machine. Install the exhaust ventilator to the back of the main part. Fix the upper end of the exhaust ventilator with the lamp holder column. Install the base of ironing table arm to that port in the main part. Connect the power cord in ironing table arm according to the mark. Then install the arm beam and arm mold. Install the table to the top of the machine. And fix the screw at the bottom of the table. Connect the water inlet pipe to the water inlet port in the main part by thread seal tape. Connect the drain cover to one end of drainage pipe. Install the steam valve assembly to the steam port by thread seal tape. Install trap assembly to the collecting vapor port in the main part. Connect one end of the solenoid valve line to the solenoid valve. And connect another end to the solenoid valve port in the main part. Connect one end of the blue steam pipe to the steam port and water inlet port of the main part. And connect another end to the steam port of iron table. Connect one end of the collecting vapor pipe to the trap port in the main part, and connect another end to the trap port on the iron. Connect one end of the steam pipe to the solenoid valve port in the main part, and connect another end to steam port in the iron. Install the steam pipe sleeve. Attach the steam pipe and collecting vapor pipe in the iron to the lamp holder. Install the control box to the position shown in the lamp post. Connect the control box power cord to the port in the back of the main part. Attach the power cord to the lamp holder. Connected the lamp tube power cord to the lamp tube. Finally, install the iron booster to the lamp frame beam. Connect the water inlet pipe to the main water tube or put it in the bucket. Connect the drainage pipe to drainage port or put it in the bucket. Turn on the power switch of main part. Turn the control box knob to the working position. Press the add and minus button to set the steam pressure. Open the steam valve of main part. After the pressure rises to the set point, start ironing. Step on the foot pedal, will turn on the suction function, and step it again, will turn off this function. Tap and hold the heating button for 3 seconds. It can open the table drying function. Make a short press on the drying timing button, and the drying timing mode can be opened. Press it again to increase the drying time. It will increase 15 minutes each time. It can be set 120 minutes at maximum. Close the steam valve immediately after the ironing. For a short break, set the knob to the rest position. The machine enters the standby state. When getting off work, turn the knob to the off work position. The machine enters the switch discharge state. 2 minutes later, it will finish. Auto power off. Hemway energy saving ironing overall solution provider.